In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Fortnite Save the World simplified XP system. So let's get straight into the video. First, we need to understand what the simplified XP system is. So all XP is now combined into one simple XP pool. So before there used to be Survivor XP and then Research XP. Now it is just the SimGo XP. So earn XP by completing missions, alerts, and daily activities, and you can level up to unlock rewards like V-Bucks, X-Ray Llamas, and Schematic XPs, and more. So you can earn your XPs by completing the missions, as I said, complete alerts, do daily quests, explore builds, and many, many more. Once you've done that, you want to also go ahead and level up right over here, gain XPs to go ahead and level up, and higher levels unlock better rewards, by the way. You can also check your XP level, which is going to be on the top of your command tab. So that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.